What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here. Today, we're going to just power through 3 videos trying to survive traffic on a motorcycle. No audio on these ones, but let's go ahead and move forward here. We have a side of the vehicle popping up right now. Okay, we already know what we should be doing with sides of the vehicles. It's an intersection. They are pretty far away. A little bit of a panic on this motorcycle rider, kind of like jostled the handlebars. We're in 6th gear, and we should have handled it. We handled it. Not a big deal. Let's move on to the next one. All right, let's go ahead and move through here. We're right behind a vehicle. We have terrible line of sight. Not that big of a deal, okay? So now we have an open lane coming up. We're going to go ahead and take it. So do they. And now we're in this position here. This is going to be a bad position for us. So all we really can do is progressively brake, because if we did try to accelerate super hard, we don't know what's going to happen. I do know what was behind me. I do know what I just passed up, and easy braking. Not a big deal. If I swerve too hard, I'm going to go over there. If I swerve a little bit less hard, I'm going to swerve into the guardrail. So we have a lot of problems, a lot of risk when it comes to trying to make it. Let's go ahead and decelerate. But you know what? Let's just go ahead and do it anyways. We got very lucky that this car driver did not hit us and saw us last second. I'm not going to take that chance because look how far to the right we are. Pretty bad. So surviving traffic on a motorcycle, so far it sounds like going the right speed and then applying some braking. Now we got this one. I don't know if this is road rage or if this is just an accident. I want you guys to write in the comments what you guys think. It looks like it's a nice staggered formation with a bunch of Harley Davidsons. Let's see what happens here. So somebody's passing the truck possibly. There's some motorcycles behind the truck. Kind of got pushed out a little bit. Ooh, I think that might have been road rage. Okay, so this is why we rescue each other. We have rescue packs in the store right now. New low price. You get a vest and a training tourniquet, the rescue booklet, which is right here. Everybody, make sure you guys grab one. It tells you everything you need to do when there's a motorcycle accident. And on the back page, a QR code on how to use the rescue packs. And it's being trained by Prep Medic. If you know who Prep Medic is, great guy, very knowledgeable. And he's an assistant instructor for the MTC Rider Academy during that portion. All right, so it looks like there's a crash there. Not good. So what would you guys do? How would you guys handle these situations? Write it in the comments. This is your pop quiz, and I'll be seeing you guys around.